Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change Google Maps language in your browser right now. Let's begin. Firstly, you can actually access this. Just go ahead and simply look for Google Maps. Right, Google Maps. Click on this very first link and it will open up your location. That's where you're going to start. You can just simply use your mouse to zoom in and zoom out. All right. So use the scroll wheel on your mouse. Here, Google Maps supports multiple languages, making it easier to navigate and use the application in the language you are most comfortable with. So click over here, this icon. This will be your menu icon. And hover down, you will notice the language section. Now make sure to remember this part. So whenever you will accidentally click on another language, you can easily go back in here and click the language option again. All right. So click language. Here by default, I have English US. Let's say, for example, we're going to change this to, all right, let's say I'm going to change this to Italian. So over here, Italiano, click on it. Just wait for a few seconds and there you go. No need for you to refresh. It will automatically change the language settings for you. So go ahead, hover around and you will notice that the changes has been successfully applied. So you can go back over here, click on the language icon. And if you want to go back to English US, click over here. All right. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.